Good afternoon. We're the first one to arrive here in Talambang Budik. As you can see, guys, the nature are so very fulfilling, and of course I got a lot of fresh air here. Look around behind my back. Yeah, that's the view of Talamban, guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget before you finish the video to like, comment, and subscribe if you have any suggestion, clarification, eklabush, kembertush. So my friends over there, they are just sitting down, and while me is walking here just to catch a good view of the Talambang Budik. Of course, guys, they have also a beautiful mountain view, and makikita nyo rin sa labas yung hindi sa labas. Yeah. Makikita nyo yung yung mga bahay dito sa taas kasi it's a very high mountain, and we drive using the car of Ate LJ. That's why nakarating kami ng maaga dito. And I'm going to show you guys the houses down here. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan. Ayun. Diyan din kami dumaan kanina guys. Kailangan ko bumaba guys kasi parang nakakapangilabot yung hangin dito sa taas ng bukid na ito. It looks like I'm so funny here, alone while they are watching over me. So, ayan. Yung sunset over there. Meron ako mai-upload later. Mega love shout out to all of you, to my friends from Canada. A huge shout out to all my families, loved ones, and relatives around Philippines. Alright.
Bukas naman akay ang namin busy kasi.
Wow, with rice na mabili.
Chicken balon-balonan.
Chicken balon-balonan. Gusto ko yung may kasamang rice.
Bagong luto.
Banana cure. Nakakain kami ng na po eh. Nakakain kami ng mani doon, no? Kaya busog kami makakain ng banana cure.
Igpila mo ka na.
Ito, magkano to? Ano rice niya?
20.
Taba. Magkano ito? Wait lang, tingnan muna natin doon. Ay, tingnan natin doon. Dito. Ito, wait lang, saan ba to? Bakit parang magkano laman?
20 lang po. May chicken sisig po kami. Chicken inasal.
Yung with rice?
Opo, may chicken inasal po with java rice.
With java rice, 65.
It's already night. So we are way on the spot. We are on the way. Right on the spot. Na kung saan, antay namin umilaw. So iyan na. Umilaw na.
Oh, little budang. Oh, yung little budang there. Little budang.
Hindi ako makagalit.
Hindi, mamaya. Tingnan mo lang. Ganyan, ate. Ate Mel, dito ka na. Little budang. Hindi, ganyan, te, oh.